Parents, here's the best way to improve your child's spelling. First, I want you to assess how many sounds they can hear in each word. So if you say the word stomp and you say, okay, tell me each sound, and they tell you s, they know one of the sounds. They say stop, they know 3 of the sounds. If they can say st, they can hear all 5 of the sounds. You want to hear how many sounds they can hear in each word. Next, assess their phonics. So you want to know, okay, I know they can hear the sounds in the word, but can they write those sounds down? So you might say, okay, write the sound eh. Make sure they can write it. Good. Now write the sound e. Make sure they can write it. Now write the sound ch. Make sure they can write that too. Finally, you want to put that information together. So if your child is struggling with 3 and 4 sound words with the TH sound, you're having them write them again and again and again. You're saying, okay, spell the word think, finger space, moth, finger space, thick, finger space, this, finger space, that.